today we are going to make a experiment, and we need what's that?
Funnel,
balloon, baking soda, vinegar, and
container.
Container. Then we will add the
Baking soda.
and the balloon. Then what? I'm good. Hole. What? Lugay kaayo. And then we'll put the funnel in here, and we can put it here. Yay, water! What? Ito man. And then we're gonna put this here, and wait.
Dito. Nice one.
Wow, sugar pumplings. See, yeah? Whoa, sugar pumplings. What will happen? Look at the experiments, Mickey.
The balloon inflate. Kyle.